Hey guys, before I start this video, I want you guys to see this ammunition we got on sale, double action. We got 1,000 rounds of 9mm for $269. It's for 1,000 rounds, which is an awesome price. And we have 115 weight and 124 weight. Spear, Lawman, and we have all that American Eagle right there. That American Eagle is 124 grain, and then I think the Lawman is 115. $269. The sale will be on until they're all gone. So if you live locally, even if you live an hour away, it's definitely worth the ride to come and get some 9mm. Alright guys, talk to you in a bit.
Now wait, did he say 9mm ammo was available? And not only that, it was on sale? What am I doing here? See you later. Whew, just got back and they still had some ammo. So I picked up a case. I can't argue with the price. $269 for 1,000 rounds, and it's individually boxed in boxes of 50. The last half a case I bought, it was in bulk packs of 100, which I have a hard time keeping track of those. But I like the 50 packs, so this is better. And great price, saved me a lot of money. And I was going through the other case I had quite quickly, so I'm sort of glad I picked that up. But I'll give you a little look at what it looks like as soon as I open the box. Fired this before and it did very well in my Beretta, so got a good deal. So I'm stocked up mainly for the rest of the year. I think this is about half a year supply of 9mm to go along with my 45 and my 22. So it'll be good shooting. I'll show some footage because I just didn't go there to buy ammo. I also did a little bit of shooting when I was there. I'll show just a little bit of that too. Thanks for watching.